So we're going to change over to the building 1 router, but before we do, just to save ourselves some time, let's just make sure that the IPv6 unicast routing is enabled. Well, that'll be helpful later, okay? So we're going to do that, and then we're just going to exit out of here. Change over our console cable. If we can get it. Sure isn't wanting to be helpful today, is it? Just have to. Bam. We'll get it one way or another. Okay. Now let's open up our terminal again. Enable. Let's go to the configuration terminal. Okay, it says now we're going to do configuration for the interfaces of the routing or the addressing table. So, and those will be important here in a little bit. So interface S000, we're going to give it the IP address of 10.10.20.2, 255.255.252. IPv6 address, we can just use our little trick there. 1.1.1.2/64. Do it again, give ourselves a cell. Do a FE80:2 as our link local. Alright, and then give it the no shutdown command. I'm going to change over to our G00 interface. Be interrupted by the link getting turned on. There it is. And we're going to give it the address of 10.10.1.254. And that is a /24, so that's a 0. Now let's do the IPv6 address. That's 1A1/64. FE80 link local. No shutdown. Let's change the interface to the G01. Be interrupted by the link coming on. I guess we weren't. It was too quick. IP address 10.10.2.254. 0 for the /24. IPv6 address. Paste 1B1/64. We're going to do the FE80 to link local address. And then give it the no shutdown command. Okay, so we got that. Configure the directly connected IPv4 default static route on building 1 to reach the internet, and then also the IPv6 one. So all we're going to do is we're going to exit that interface editing, and we're going to say IP route to the internet. It's going to exit which interface now? The interface that's pointed at the internet, that one. So the S000. So give it that exit interface. And then we're going to do the same thing for IPv6 route /0, same exit interface. And we're going to do the IPv6 unicast routing on this one as well, just to make sure everything works right. Okay, now we're on to the host. So let's do host A. Let's see what it says here. IPv6 is going to be the link local address. So the gateway address is going to be the link local address. Now remember that. So host A is going to have an IP address of 10.10. Any available address. We'll just do 100. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Default gateway. That's just going to be the link local for that one on the IPv6, but for the IPv4, let's see, we are on gigabit bits 00 interface, so that's going to be that address right there. DNS server, it's going to be right there. So 64, 100, 110. Okay, IPv6 address. Paste. It is 1A:/64. There's that link local. Now let's give him the link local address 80 for the default gateway, and that was right here, 2. DNS server, it's going to be right here. DB8 FF F10. Okay, so that one should be configured correctly. Let's do the next one. For 2, 10, 2, 100. Default gateway is going to be 10.10.2.254. DNS server 64, 100, 110. And that is going to be 1B:/A 64 and the FE80 again. 2. The DNS server is going to be FF10. Okay, so both hosts should be able to reach the DNS server, the internet, or whatever. Oh, right there. There we go. Ping. Let's ping these addresses right here, both the IPv6 and the IPv4. So we're getting replies. That's good. That's a good thing. 64, 100, 110. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Got it. Man, we're good. Same thing on this side. Ping. Got it. 64, 100, 110. Good job, guys. Good job. Nice.